Hello friends, welcome to the Tech World Plus. In this video, we are going to discuss about the how to declare multiple variables at a time using Python Jupyter Notebook. So, to declare any variable, okay, what we will do is we will declare that variable name and whatever we wanted to assign. Let's say if we want to assign some string, okay, we'll put that string, and once we run this code, so now the x variable x, here in this case x is called variable, and this x variable is being stored with the data string. So similarly, if you want to create some integer values for with variables, so you can still create a variable, okay, with some integer value that will store the integer value too. So this is how like we will be creating the variables. But what if you want to create the multiple variables? That is very simple. Okay, so let me take the variables b comma c. So I want to assign integer value to the b, that is 2, and integer value to the c. So let me run this code first. So you can see like in this piece of code from the line 3, okay, variable b and c both we have declared at single time. Okay, so similarly we can do the similar operation can be done to the variable c as well. So this is how we can, like, you can by simply taking the number of variables that you wanted to declare. Like in this case I just took the two variables, that is b and c. I have separated them using comma, okay, and then coming to here I have just whatever the values that I wanted to give, that I had given. So this is how you can simply create a multiple variables at a time using Python Notebook. Okay, what if there is a case you want to create multiple variables, like let's say w is one variable and e is one variable. Okay, one variable with integer and one variable with string. Okay, so shall we do this? Yes, we can still use this kind of variables. So see, here we are not doing anything special. We are just declaring our like number of input variables, okay, in the single piece of code, instead of going to the multiple variables. Okay, instead of going to multiple variables multiple times. Okay, so we are just creating the variables at a single instance. So this is how we can create the variables simply. Okay, multiple variables, this is called simply using Python Jupyter Notebook. That's it for today, guys. Hope you are enjoying our content. Please do share your comments and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Let's talk more in my next video.